Introduction. Vani is on her way to Ria's house. She follows the directions given by Ria. She first turns left at the traffic signal. She turns left again at the second crossing and reaches Ria's house. Vani understands the importance of directions. In this lesson, you will learn about directions in time. Major directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, east, south, and west. The 4 letters N, E, S, and W represent these directions. This is Jivika. She is standing with the sun behind her. You know that the sun rises in the east. Therefore, east is behind Jivika. It means west is in front of her. North lies to her right. South lies to her left. Time. The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun is in the east in the morning. By evening, it reaches the west. It means the direction of the sun changes with time. It also means that time changes with changing locations of the sun. Map. Look at this paper with a number of lines drawn from top to bottom. This is a map. It helps a person locate a place. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. North, east, south and west are 4 major directions. East is opposite west and north is opposite south. Time changes with the changing locations of the sun. A map helps us to locate a place.